Bitcoin is continuing its downwards push as predicted in yesterday's daily update. Told you this liquidity area was most likely going to come and get tapped before any type of correction. I hope you guys listen to me. We called the top. As you can see, after this dump, your favorite YouTuber is now getting bearish. You're a little bit too late, sir. You're a step too late. Catch up. We called the top here. We called the top when we were down here, when we longed this. This was our ultimate target. This has been our ultimate target. We have reached our ultimate target perfectly. And everyone was so bullish. This broke out. Oh my God, we're so bullish. We're going. And we were bearish. We were shorting this. We caught the top. Over on Blowfin, we are in a beautiful trade in which, that's right, I did take some profits off of the table. We skimmed some profits off. This was a bigger trade, but we're paying ourselves. Don't know what this correction will entail coming next. In this video, we are going to be doing something. I'm going to be presenting you something I've not presented yet. We're going to go over this overall structure, what I'm looking at on the way down. We're going to look at targets. And we're also going to look at big picture. After this move is done, if it plays out as predicted, I think it will. I'm going to show you the overall structure on the 12-hour daily time frame, where the market is going in the future, so you have a roadmap. So stay tuned throughout this whole video. You don't want to miss it. As I said, we took profits already on this trade. I alerted the premium members. I was taking profits. I skimmed some off the top. We did try to hedge this long, just in case. Very safe stop loss. Very safe stop loss. Got stopped out because this kept pushing, right? So stick around, guys. This is an important video. Let's get right into it. But actually, before we do, join the free Discord linked in the description below, pinned in the first comment. In the free section, guys, I do have my Elliott Wave course here. I show you how I trade. I give an overview, simple but effective overview of how I trade. So take the course, join the free Discord. We'll see you in there. Pinned in the first comment down below. Oh boy, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. All right, first thing we're going to do is examine this wave. Well, actually, let's hit this chart. Let's hit this chart. You guys have seen this chart before, and what we're playing here and what I have eyed up is a nice flat correction. In previous videos weeks ago, I was looking at this more of an ABC and then coming down for another hit. That has changed in the recent weeks. As this wave changed, this looks more corrective to me. This doesn't look impulsive. I need it impulsive. So for me, and in either of these counts, we're expecting big moves, whether it's a big move to break the low or the move that I'm currently playing. And this will make sense when we go to the daily time frame, so you need to watch this video all the way through. I'm also going to show you guys high probability trades to get into on this wave down if you resonate with this idea. So, I am playing a flat correction as this looked more corrective to me. This is obviously a flat correction. We called it as a flat right here. We shorted this sucker. We took it down. We called it as a flat correction. We longed this all the way up because we were expecting a matching leg from here, right? If you're not subscribed to this channel yet, with calls like this, I don't know who you are subscribed to. Good luck. Subscribe to this channel right now. Do it right now. I'll give you 1 second. Okay, you're subscribed. Congratulations. Welcome to the family. We're looking at a flat correction. Correction down, a correction up, an impulsive wave down. We're looking for it to be impulsive. 5 waves. We have broken the high of our second correction. And really, guys, as simple as I can put it, it's just an ABC. It's just an ABC, a corrective shape. Boom, 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 a zigzag. But the correct term is a flat correction. These are your targets. These are fib pulls from here, from here, from here. Boom, boom, boom. Your 1-to-1 of this move is right here. Solid target at 56K. That is not my target, but it's a solid one. I am targeting right here. And that is because of how this wave is playing out. That is because of how this initial wave is playing out. We're going to go over this when we go over the actual route down to these lower targets. But this is the structure I'm playing. Once we hit down here, I will tell you right now, I will be looking long. Lord willing, if we hit down here. And guys, I'm ready to be wrong. I'm ready for this just to be an ABC correction and then boom to the upside. That's great. It can do that. That's fine. We're taking profits along the way. We're paying ourselves. I'm happy no matter what happens. So just be aware. Just because I'm very confident in this idea doesn't mean it has to play out. I'm just a dude. You know, I follow God. That's the only person I follow. I suggest you do the same. Don't listen to people. Listen to him. Now, we're going to look at our path down to these targets. Real quick, before we examine what happens after we hit these targets. Because the premium members over in the premium Discord, we had a live stream last night. It was very productive. We mapped out everything. If you guys want access to the premium channels within the Discord, I have daily alerts. I have all of my trades when I'm adding to positions, stop loss, take profits. I show scalp trade setups that I'm taking, everything. 24/7 live Elliott wave charts down here to keep you in the loop as to what's going on as a roadmap. My indicators are included. We have premium live streams. Guys, go to upgrade here in the Discord. Click the WAP link. It will get you automatically entered in. Use the code 25OFF for $25 off your first month if you want to give the premium Discord a try. This will expire Friday morning, October 4th. So if you want to give it a try, now is your chance. $25 off with code 25OFF. We'll see you in there. Premium has been ripping lately. Ripping. Okay. How are we getting down to our lower targets here at around 52K? How? What are we looking at? So here I have the 5-wave impulse mapped out. We are right here. We have come into this liquidity box. It's very simple, guys. Very simple to know where bounce points are going to be. Usually people are going to say, oh, well, it's going to be at lows, local lows. That's where you're going to get bounces. Wrong. Wrong. It's all about liquidity, people. It's all about liquidity. Everyone's stop losses are here. There's a fair value gap down here. This is the obvious spot to come down and tap into. It can slice through here, but a lot was eaten up here. I would expect some type of bounce. We need to entice more buyers at this level. So, I have... Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. That was just playing around. Don't pay attention to that. I have a finished 5 waves down. It looks about finished. Now, I do have some concerns here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? I have some concerns. Number one, if we pull a fib from our 1 wave to our 2 wave, we have came past the 4.272 extension of this 1-2. That is a very extended impulsive wave. 4272 is very extended, but you do see that. Past the 4272 is insanely extended, guys. So, I mean, there's no doubt in my mind that this is an impulsive wave. But what I was playing with is that we already put in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. It is very ugly. I do not like it. Do not like it. And then we have put in a correction here, and now we are starting, boom, a smaller correction, boom, boom, boom. Instead of this bigger correction that I have drawn up, this may be what's happening. Now, that's not what I'm here to present you guys, because I wouldn't be trading something like that, but it's a possibility. What I would be trading is a move like this, where we have bottomed here for our initial impulse down. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. It does. It's just very extended. And then we would look for some type of correction. It could be a zigzag. It can be a flat correction. Some type of correction. How it plays out, I don't know. We're freaking right here, guys. We haven't even put in an initial A wave. You got to let price action do its thing. Be like water, my friends. Mold to any object. Fill any object. You must be like water, Bruce Lee once said. So take what the market gives you, guys. You got to wait and see how things play out, and then you take your opportunity. So what I'm generally looking for here is a nice move out of here, some type of a retrace, and then it'd be a nice little long to catch a C leg up of a correction of this wave. Correct this wave, right? And that's going to be our 1-2. Boom, boom. Nice little long. And I will alert premium members. I will keep everyone aware. I will post videos, but I can only do so much with the daily videos. Right here is where I'd be adding to my short. If it looks right, if it looks finished, if I would be shorting the sucker anyways, yeah, I'm adding to my position. And it will be a very nice short to be in if you're not in a trade to catch a possible massive wave 3 to the downside. Massive. You're looking, if this is playing out, a 13% move, right? So, with that being said, that's what I want to see in the immediate term. And ultimately, you're looking for another wave 4 into a wave 5 down. That will get you to your $52,000 targets. So maybe I have this line drawn just proportionally. You're looking at Thursday, maybe into Friday, where the solid short is going to set up. Maybe you get a leading diagonal. But that's where I'd be looking short. Tomorrow might be a good long setup. We'll see. And we'll see if this keeps piping to the downside, you know? It very well can. Now, once we get down to this 52K level, overall, what am I looking at? This is the first time I'm ever presenting this to you guys. Are we ready? Before we do that, over on Blowfin, if you want to trade with us over on Blowfin, there are no KYC. It's what everyone uses to trade. No KYC on it. It's what I use. Pinned in the comment down below is a link for this promotion, guys. Just hook this up today. It is a massive deposit bonus if you are looking to switch exchanges or give Blowfin a try. Here are all your deposits. Big money, guys. Get in here and get your money. Deposit. You will get this bonus just by depositing your initial deposits. You will also get bonuses on top of that for how much you trade. There's additional trading bonuses. All right, so go capitalize on this now. Get on over on Blowfin. Give them a try. Bitcoin's currently freaking dumping. We love to see it. Okay. Now, once we hit this target down here of our flat, what am I predicting Bitcoin to do? Well, I'm glad you asked. Here we are, people. Here we are. This is a very possible count, a very real count. I see all the other charts setting up this count. It's sitting there on all the charts. Will it play out? We'll see. We'll see how as this wave progresses. We'll see. But it looks very plausible on many different charts. Looking at DXY, it jives with that chart. And ultimately, what we have is a massive flat. Massive. For us traders, this is beautiful. This is what we love to see. For holders, it's going to be very painful to sit through this. But as we zoom out, and I'm gonna go through this with you in 1 second. This is beautiful, beautiful, and then we can pump up to massive targets, 160K, 180K. We can get there with this count. I'm gonna get rid of this arrow. Let's zoom in and let's analyze this structure. You guys know how my calls have been lately, so I suggest you listen. Will this play out? I don't know. We're bound to be wrong one of these times. But we've called all the major swings of this movement. On our way to be correct on another swing. We'll see if we're correct on this swing. So I have a correction down, WXY. It's a double correction. Looks great. We are about to put in a correction to the upside. If we get this flat, I am looking to send a matching wave. Boom, boom, boom. If you pull fibs on this, it will get you a target that will break all-time high. There's so much liquidity up here, guys. It has to be taken. Your favorite YouTuber was saying we're going up to get it right now. Who should be your favorite YouTuber now, was saying to short this, screaming it in all my videos. I hope you listened. So your targets are there for a corrective wave, ABC, to the upside. It will break the high, hopefully, or come very close, and then pull the rug and drop the hammer on everybody. When you talk about maximum pain, this brings it, baby. And I love the pain. This is my basic roadmap that I will be following going forward until invalidated. If this low is broken, this count is invalidated. If we stop premature of our targets down here, this count is invalidated. Time will tell, and I will keep you guys constantly updated, of course, as to what I am doing. Now, we'll be looking to put in a massive long down at these levels. Massive. And I'll be looking to cash out up here at these levels and look to put in a massive short and look to cash out on my massive short. That is the plan going forward. You will hear a lot more about that on this channel as this wave comes down. I will see you guys in the premium Discord. You better join now while we are on this hot streak, while I have this promotion going. Hop on over to Blowfin, give them a try. These numbers are very real, attainable numbers for you guys. You can do this. I'm not making $500,000 on each trade. I'm not making $1 million on each trade. These are real numbers. I could be trading way more than this, but I use proper risk management. I trade appropriately with my account size. I suggest you guys do the same. Start slow. You will get to this point. I want to see each and every one of you succeed. And I will leave you with this. Let me find this comment. Bear with me one moment, because I got the best comment I've ever received. Oh, where is he? Here we go. I'm going to put it in the big box. Here we go. Mayan. This is why we do this. Thank you so much for this, bro. Said F it and shorted from 63K. Made 10K. Hopefully we'll be able to rent or purchase a house soon. My fam think I ain't SHIT because I've not got a real job, aka being a slave to the system. But thank you so much, brother. I'm going to join your premium once I get moved out of this house. For real. Congratulations, Mayan. I am so proud of you and I'm so happy for you. You have broken out of the system mentally, and your wallet will soon follow. I'm happy you are seeing clear, and I want everyone else to see as clear as mine. Thank you everyone for being here. I love each and every single one of you. I will see you in the next video.